4 years of band.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
We toured with you a lot. Sorry. We had that weird hate-love relationship, and we bust your chops all the time.
We give you bribes.
Yeah, we give you coffee.
So that we never mind. And
Well, thank you for everything, for being cutting us off when we have to be
What did my son just do? What did he just do? Eric, oh my God!
For the past 4 years, Mr. Stroh has been telling Allie, Maddie, and I how he torments.
Oh, Mr. Stroh.
How he torments people by plying them. So, we got it for you.
Oh, Mr. Stroh.
Eric Ransom!
We also have flowers for Dr. Curtis. I don't know if she's here tonight, today, this evening, what is this? But she's, yay!
Yeah, she's here.
You are one of the greatest principals because you support everything that we